Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Point. In previous video we had discussed about expansion formulae, exercise 5.1, first 5 sums. In this video we had discussed about our remaining sums. The first sum is that is 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Now first step is multiply this 9x with this whole bracket and then multiply this 5t with this whole bracket. Write down 9x as it is and write down second bracket as it is 9x plus 3t minus 5t, second bracket 9x plus 3t. Now multiply this 9 with this 9, we get 81x square. 9 into 3 27xt minus 9 into 5 45 x into t xt minus plus minus 5 into 3 15 t into t square. Now subtract this 45 from this 27, we get minus 18 xt, because 45 is greater than 27, therefore here is minus sign 18 xt and the remaining term is minus 15 t square. Now see the next example, that is m plus 2 by 3 into m minus 7 by 3. Now write down m as it is, second bracket m minus 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into m minus 7 by 3. M into m square minus multiply this m with this 7 by 3, we get 7 by 3 m plus 2 by 3 m plus minus minus 2 into 7, that is 14, 3 into 3 9. Now subtract this 7 by 3 and 2 by 3, we get 5 by 3 m minus, because 7 by 3 is bigger than 2 by 3, therefore minus sign here, and minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 by 9. Now see the next example, that is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Similar steps, that is we write down first bracket x as it is, write down second complete bracket x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. Now multiply this x with this x, we get x square. We write down x into 1, x by x plus this x here and x by x plus minus minus 1 into 1 1 x into x square. Now cancel this x and this term, x by x term having different sign and same term, therefore we cancel these two terms. Now write down the remaining terms, that are x square minus 1 by x square. Now see the next example of this exercise 5.1, that is 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by y minus 9. Write down 1 by y as it is, 1 by y minus 9 plus 4 into 1 by y minus 9. 1 into 1 1, y into y square. 9 into 1 minus 9 into 1 9 by y plus 4 by y plus minus minus 9 into 4, that is 36. Now subtract this 9 from this 4, we get minus 5 by y minus 36. These are the total sums of our exercise 5.1. We hope you understand all the sums. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and like and share to your friends. Thank you so much friends.